Crypto has become more and more difficult with over 100 blockchains which are out there right now and new blockchains coming out pretty much every week. It's really hard to keep track of all the new blockchains, of all the progress, the new trends, etc, etc. So today I'm going to show you different DeFi tools that will help you to strengthen your crypto game, to strengthen your portfolio and make so that you can make more informed decisions and that you can maybe find trends even before others do. So let's go. But before we start with the analytics, I want to show you 3 different crypto DeFi wallets that you should be aware of. First of all, we have Metamask, which is the very first Web3 wallet that I have ever used. And this is a browser extension wallet on your computer or laptop, or it's a mobile phone wallet app, for your phone. So Metamask gives you access to Ethereum and EVM compatible blockchains, like Binance Smart Chain, for example, and all the different DApps that are developed for Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain or the other EVM compatible blockchains. So this is the very first and basic one that I would recommend you to use and to get started with, because it also works very similar to like Phantom Wallet for Solana. So if you know how to handle Metamask, then of course you can handle the other browser-based wallets as well. And keep in mind, in today's video I'm only going to show you like a brief summary about every tool, because if I would go like too deep into the different tools that I'm going to show you, then this video would probably be 2 or 3 hours long. So this is just like a bare minimum information that I'm going to give you about everything that I'm going to show you. And then second, we have Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is now a wallet that is like more for the DeFi purpose, because it gives you the opportunity to have your own wallet on your mobile phone, which is like a mobile phone first wallet. And then you can store and manage all of your cryptos, NFTs, and have multiple wallets in one place. And they support, for example, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, and all Ethereum compatible networks. And you can explore also thousands of tokens and DApps on your phone and browser. And the thing why I recommend it is because this is very user friendly. Like Coinbase Wallet is very, very user friendly, but also they are connected with the Coinbase exchange, which now allows you to buy and sell crypto very easily through your mobile phone wallet. So this is like a wallet, but also an exchange in the background as well. This is why I recommend it to you, because this is something that you can use as well as a beginning, as a starter when getting into DeFi. And then, of course, we have Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet was issued in the past for Binance Smart Chain mainly at the very beginning, but nowadays Trust Wallet became one of the biggest and most popular Web3 wallets that's out there. You can have it as an extension for the computer, or you can have it as a mobile app for your phone. And you can see on the numbers, it's trusted by 140 million people, founded in 2017, it's audited, etc, etc. And it supports all the different blockchains and different tokens. For example, here you can see they have 100 plus blockchains, 600 million plus NFTs, and also 100 million and 10 million different assets that they support. So you can buy, sell, swap, earn, and use DApps for different blockchains here as well. So you can just search for any chain and they probably support it. So yeah, Trust Wallet is the number 1 Web3 wallet that I would recommend you, which has the most functions and is the most useful to use, like when you're working with DeFi. And now we're going to check out different DeFi analytics tools, because this is also very important, because you want to make informed decisions when investing. And first of all, we have Defi Lama. Defi Lama is a very important website when it comes to DeFi and to researching different DeFi trends, because here if you check out, for example, DeFi here, you have like a lot of different charts and tools that you can use. You can get an overview about DeFi in general. You can check out the different chains, the most important chains. So you have like a visualization of the different like dominances from the different blockchains. Then here as well with the total value logged on all the different chains. And then you have all the information here. For example, the protocol, the addresses, and then the changes, and the TVL, then the volume, etc, etc, the market cap. So you have all the information about the different chains here. And Defi Lama is an on-chain information aggregator, so it gets like all the information from all the different blockchains, and you can check the different chains out here. You can check for airdrops, for top protocols. You can do comparisons. You can check for different categories. And this is something that you can use to get more information about the different blockchains and also about the different DApps that you might want to use with the different blockchains. Because, for example, here you have Ethereum, for example, here in the top protocols, and then it shows you where can you do liquid staking, lending, restaking, liquid restaking, all the different things you can do on a blockchain, and it shows you exactly where you can do it according to this specific blockchain, which is the best DApp for that, to just get into it depending on what you're looking for. Here, yield, reward, assets, farm, privacy. So you have all the different categories here where you can get all the different information for every blockchain. So DeFi Lama is like the holy Bible of DeFi. You can download the CSV file here to get everything like more structured on a computer, for example. And then you can check out the token usage, but also like DeFi Lama Swap. You can check out the NFTs, the borrow aggregator, the governance, the liquidations, the fees, revenue, stablecoins, hacks, Ethereum liquid staking. So all the different information that you need for DeFi, you can find 90% of the information you need on DeFi Lama. So this is like the number one page I would recommend you to go to. Then as a second page, we have Defi Analytics. Defi Analytics is a website which allows you to discover user-engaged dashboards. So you have different dashboards here for different topics, and Defi Analytics gives you a possibility to explore different dashboards that have been created by users and shows you a different visualization of the different topic. For example, I have opened up the DEX metrics dashboard here, which I like a lot because this gives you a very good and easy overview about all the different DEXs with the volume over the last 24 hours, over the last 7 days. Then you have here the DEX by volume ranking here. You have the different visualizations here, the different boards. Then you have the daily DEX volume here, then aggregated by volume. You can check out all the information that you need about the different DEXs here just in this one board. And this is like one board of like hundreds of thousands of boards that they have here on Defi Analytics. For example, here's another board that I've just pulled up for you because it's like a different topic, but also very interesting when it comes to crypto. And this is the U.S. government Bitcoin holdings, because the U.S. government they got some Bitcoin, and here they have the different wallets tracked. You know exactly like what is the governance Bitcoin balance, then how much is this in US dollars, what are the wallets, how did they develop over the last time. So you can check out different information here. And I mean, this is like one of many dashboards, or here the narratives of the tokens, which is also very interesting because here you can see some trends. Because here with this dashboard, you will see, for example, which token trends where, or which narrative was trending within the last 7 days, which got like down within the last 7 days. For example, meme coin, because the meme narrative pretty much like downgrade or decrease over the last couple of months. Now you can see it here as well. Then you have the performance comparatives, and then you have all the different information about the different narratives here over the last couple of months. So they provide a lot of detailed information, and you can find dashboards to pretty much every topic. You just type it in, and then you probably find a different dashboard with different information prepared for you already, so that you get all the information that you need. You just need to find your specific dashboards that you like, where you say, okay, these are the information that I specifically need for my research every day. Then you just put it to your favorite, and then every day in the morning you can check out your different dashboards to see, okay, how does it differentiate from what I've seen yesterday. Then next I want to show you is DefiRadar, or DefiRadar, and this is like the number one website when it comes to exploring different DApps. So you have the rankings here, the global rankings, and then you have the different chains, the games, DeFi, NFTs. So you can check out, okay, do I have a special category that I want to like check out the different DApps for, and then you have here the top blockchain DApps, and this is ranked by UAW, which is unique. I think it was unique active wallets. Yeah, unique active wallets. So this is like the metric or the rankings based on the different unique active wallets. Then you can check out, for example, the DeFi category, and then you find here all the different DeFi DApps with the market cap, with the token price, and all the information that you need about this different DApp, and also how many users are actually using this. So this is like a very interesting ranking as well, and you can check out the different different information about the apps probably here on DefiRadar. So this is something that you should have like a look to like every few days to see, okay, is there something changing? Is there something trending? Does the trend change, for example, from this week to last week? So you just should check it out like every few days to have like a good understanding and overview about the market, because this actually gives you an overview over the market when it comes to the apps, of course. Then we have DefiBank. DefiBank is a portfolio management that you can use, but also you can use it as a little bit of a social media website, because you can follow different users here on DefiBank, and you can also check or make new posts yourself, and then you can follow them. But also it gives you like a portfolio management tool for your own portfolio, and they have a lot of migrations and integrations into different DApps, so that you can check and manage your portfolio from DefiBank directly with the different DApps as well. And then they have also some pages as, for example, protocols, where you can get different information about the different blockchains, the different protocols, and more like information and analysis about DeFi. So here you can see, for example, what is this protocol doing, and then what is the pool type, for example, and then how many users are there active, stuff like that. So this is something that you can also check out on DefiBank. So this is something where you can have a look at, but yeah, not everybody uses DefiBank, because Defi Lama and the other websites are good enough, but also DefiBank. I just think that you should get familiar with DefiBank. If you like it, you should use it. If not, you don't have to use it, of course, but yeah, this is something that you definitely should keep in mind. And then, for example, my last two websites I want to show you are like websites you can use, but you don't have to use them, because you can find the information on the other pages as well. One of them is DEX Screener. DEX Screener checks like all the different DEXs and the trading pairs, and then shows you exactly all the information you need about the different trading pairs. And then you can check out different blockchains here specifically. For example, you can check out the Solana blockchain to see different trading pairs for Solana. You can see the gainers and losers. You can see the new pairs. So that if you see, for example, a few new pairs on a different blockchain that you haven't heard of before, then you might check it out, because maybe it's a new trend coming up. And so here you can check out the different information about the different blockchains. For example, if you say, okay, I want to get involved heavily in Base blockchain, then you can find all the different token pairs here on DEX Screener for Base blockchain, and then you can get familiar with it. You can track it over a period of time. You can see, okay, what's your favorite pair doing. Then you can also check out some favorite pairs that you have, and then maybe you can just track them over the next couple of days to get more information that you need to make more informed decisions. And last but not least, I want to show you CryptoBubbles. CryptoBubbles is a website which shows you like different gains and losses in form of a bubble. That's where the name comes from, CryptoBubble. So right now it's set to performance. For example, here you can say, okay, show me the day period and then the performance of the price. So you can see here the gainers and losers, but also you can see the market capitalization here, market cap, and now you can see how big is the blockchain compared to other blockchains. And I think because here these numbers is what we see on CoinMarketCap on different websites, so this is a number that we see all the time, right? The market cap. But I think with CryptoBubbles it gives you like a better overview just how big something is or how small something is. So you can compare, like for example, Ethereum, the 1.34 billion compared trillion compared to the billion here. So this is something that you can check out as well, CryptoBubbles. And I think if you have a look at this over a few days, you can see, okay, how does it change, how does it behave, and this gives you a more easy understanding of the market in general. Like, you don't have to use it every day, but sometimes just go check it out. Because for example, I'm a user. I like to look at CryptoBubbles because this is a visualization that I understand easier compared to just the numbers here on a list. So everybody learns a little bit different, but I like this website a lot. So yeah, this is something that you should check out on a daily basis as well. And these are the different tools that I wanted to show you that I think will help you making more informed decisions in DeFi. So if you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below, because we're going to make more videos about DeFi and more DeFi tutorials and trainings in the future. And yeah, I'm very happy to see you in the next time. See ya, bye bye.